drop out. Well, you're you're dropping down levels, and you're just gonna return it all the way back up, which is confusing, but makes sense. Okay. So this is cool for like yeah, that's crazy. That's cool though. It makes sense. It's not like that in any other language, I don't think. Did you see? What was the fight? The last fight. Conor McGregor, that's what it was. Yeah. So that's cool. So that works. So I don't know how the amortization of a loan works, but I want to make it so you can see every year how much you're paying. So we're gonna make a for loop after this. So every year we're gonna multiply it, and then we're gonna add it. So let's see. So we have that. We have our variables at the top. We have our functions. This is our main code. We have our interest rate. Okay, so this is a calculation. So this is the total. So well, I guess it would just add it if it's simple interest, right? You would just add $50 every year, or whatever. That's kind of lame. So what we'll do, yeah, we'll just put this in a for loop. So for x in range of 0 to 5, we're going to calculate this is what we're going to do. Should be times. That guy always comes in here. That Stump Dodio. He always comes in and leaves. Like every day. For like 2 seconds. It's really funny. Let's see. I wonder if he's waiting for like some gnarly code. Like every day though, he comes in for like 1 second and then he leaves. It's really funny. So total interest. This is really weird. Total interest. So this is going to calculate everything. But we just want per year. And then we're going to say total due is going to be total interest due plus amount financed. Yeah, that should be. I wonder if that'll work. I wonder what it'll print. Print total due. Just curious. It's not working in my head right now. We will get to some. Yeah, we will. I was 1050, 1050. Printed 6 times. Why? Oh, because the last one. Yeah. So I was looking at some like GUI stuff using PyQt. I don't know if we'll get into that like anytime like within the next month, but I want to start getting into like displaying graphics and stuff, and like seeing what we can do with it, because I think Python has a lot of little tools like that. And the only reason I'm in Python right now is because I think it's easier to like work with. But like I have to write like for class, like I have to build like stacks. So I might show you that in Java just to show you. But I don't think I'm gonna go to Java for a while, just because Java's confusing starting out. Because you start calling stuff with publics and privates and protected and classes, and it can get confusing for people that aren't used to object-oriented programming. Never done Java. Yeah, Java's cool. I like C++. That's probably my favorite language. Just because like you control a lot more. But Python's cool because people build shit for Python like every day, and you just use their libraries. So okay, so that's gonna print that. We're gonna say amount financed, total interest due is amount financed. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna do this. Times, and then we're gonna use x plus, x plus 1. And we're gonna get rid of this one. And I think that should do it. 50. So those are just the totals. Okay. So print total interest due year, and then x plus 1. I think this is how you do concatenations. Is total interest due. Let's comment this print line out. Never done. I hate stack. I hate the stack. Yeah, seriously. Yeah. Especially after, you start using the memory stack. Oh my god. Total interest due year 150. Okay. So there's that. So this is how we do. This is a breakdown of how much interest that you've paid. Total interest you've paid. Oh no. Yeah, we'll do that. Because it doesn't make sense if I write it this way. Paid to date is 1,500. Yeah, okay. And then we'll add a little $sign to make it appropriate. Yeah. Whoa, what is that? Is that the $sign? That was weird. It's funny. I wonder if it counts the spaces after the comma. No, it just adds a space. Alright. So that's interest by year. Yeah, dude, assembly sucks. It's so boring. Need to do every little stupid thing. Make a memory slot, add a variable to the memory slot, drag something in, push it somewhere else. It's so boring. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. So there's that. I want to do the actual like breakdown of how much interest versus principal you pay, but I have to figure out the math first. Bad match. No, so looks like shit. And the beast. Yeah, I think this is all we're gonna. Yeah. How long has it been? Tell me a time. Oh, but it dropped, didn't it? View. Oh, I finally got the Twitter working. So like I kept adding the wrong email, and then after a while it like started, I guess it got annoyed of me trying to make these accounts. I made like 3, so it made me add my phone number, and then my phone number didn't work, and so I had to get like a Google Voice number for it to work. It was such a pain in the ass. So stupid. Yeah, so that's all. I think this is all we're gonna fuck with today, and then once I figure out the actual like compounding interest, yeah, I'll figure that out tonight, and then I'll do it tomorrow. But do you have any questions? Anybody? I think this is good for now. I wonder. Paste bin. Pretty straightforward, so I don't know why yours didn't work. Oh, yeah, I don't know, that's really weird. Did you try to break it? Yeah, that's why. Try to break it. Try to put text first, and then try to put a number. Here's a. Do links show up in Twitch? Let's check it out. Later, dude. Oh, my Twitter works, so if you follow it, I think it's Bits and Bytes 05. Yeah, that's the Twitter handle. Follow me on there. You guys are the 2 guys that are actually like keeping me going on this. Probably would have stopped already. Yes. Oh, cool. That works. Pastebin is pretty nice. I've never used it before. Yeah, I don't think anybody's actually watched them. It's so funny. Yeah, dude, this is so interesting. I didn't think it was gonna be like this hard to just keep going, but yeah, like you have to actually like try to write the program first, which I think is like the hard part. So interesting. It's stats. Let's see, I'll tell you how many people have watched these things. It's like 2. I know there was a guy in here the other day. He was from, I don't know where he was from. I think he was from Arizona or something. He said he wanted the video, or the VODs, so that's cool. Doesn't tell you like the actual like video. It just says video plays. Weird. Oh, that's funny. So interesting. But yeah, I can't think of anything else to do right now. So, just probably gonna, unless you have any questions, probably just gonna hang out. This is your last one. It's pretty straightforward. You know what I do want to try though? Is I want to try to just put it into one line to see if that works. Alright, so okay, so that does work. So that's what we'll do. It's always nice to see if you can put your code into like less lines. It's more efficient. So we just turned 6 lines into 3. More readable. And the other cool thing about Python actually is it forces you to have nice code, like, or else it won't read it correctly. So like in other languages, you can get away, it doesn't count white space at all. That doesn't count. It uses curly braces, so you can get away with like the ugliest shit code. But with Python, it won't accept it unless it's like completely in line. So yeah, there's that. And then this is probably a little confusing, this for loop. But the reason I started it at x+1 is because I started the loop at 0 because I wanted it to go 5 times. So the loop goes like this. So x is what I'm using as the loop. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it drops out. But I wanted to say, I wanted it to multiply it by actual years and not 0, or else it'd be 0. So when I do x+1, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's what it multiplies it by. That's why I did the loop like